So I often get a lot of questions about how it is that I manage to do all of the copywriting that I do and in such an efficient manner. And I think one of the biggest things to think about with that and when you're writing your own content or any copywriting is just that if you're not feeling inspired, take a step back and don't write it. You know, there are plenty of days where I do have a deadline, and I happen to be one of those people who works really well on deadlines, which is good. But it's also something that no matter what the time frame is, if I'm not feeling inspired, then it's not going to come. And I often find that if I take a step away, whether it's for an hour, for 30 minutes, or sometimes it's overnight, I can come back the next day and just completely rock it. You know, recently I've been working on a website and I have about 30 pages to write. But for a week, I just wasn't feeling it. And I knew the keywords that I needed to hit, but it really wasn't coming to me. And so I took a step away from it and I worked on other projects. And then I sat down and I wrote 7 pages in a couple of hours. And that's something that really only comes, one, with practice, and then two, with really letting your mind go. You know, you don't have to be a perfect writer in order to do really good copywriting. And what you need also is somebody who's going to help teach you. So if you want assistance with that, please reach out, give me a call. I'd be happy to work on this with you. Otherwise, take a step back, get re-inspired, read what other people are writing, and then go back and start writing again. But don't force it. I promise the words will come.